This next example gives f of x as a piecewise defined function. A piecewise defined function is when you have multiple equations, and then over here on the side you have some conditions. And the conditions are there to tell you when to use each of those equations. So this equation of x squared should only be used when your x is less than or equal to 0. And this equation of 1 over x should only be used when x is greater than 0. We have 3 parts to work through. Find f of -6, f of -5, and f of 5. So part A, f of -6. This notation is telling me what the x coordinate is. This is telling me that x is equal to -6. So then I'm going to go over to my piecewise defined function, and I want to go to the conditions and decide which equation to use. Since x is -6, I want to use this one right here. -6 is less than or equal to 0. That is a true statement, and I'll use that equation to work it out. So I'm going to substitute that -6 into the equation for x squared to get the answer of 36. Part B, f of -5. So in my conditions, -5 is less than or equal to 0. So once again, I'm going to use that first equation to work this out. -5 squared would be 25. Part C, find f of 5. So this time my x is 5 and 5 is greater than 0, so I'm going to use the second equation this time to work out the solution. 1 over 5 is 1/5, and that would be the answer for part C.